Hello, this video will go over different ways to access ebook collections, along with some tips and tricks for making the most out of using ebooks for research. One way to get to the ebook collections is to scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on ERAU Ebook Access. Each of our collections of ebook subscriptions are listed here. Some have more focused topic areas like Access Engineering, and others like Credo Reference or ProQuest eBook Central cover all subject areas. Scroll down the list and you'll see concentrated collections in areas like engineering, technology, leisure books, and reference sources like encyclopedias and more. I'm going to demo ProQuest eBook Central since it's one of our largest ebook collections and covers all topic areas. Okay, so we're going to use the main search bar, but you can also do an advanced search for more options or select the Browse Subjects to find ebooks in your area of study. As you can see, this ebook collection covers all majors and areas of study, from business to mathematics to art and more. Let's try searching for space physics. Okay, so that's a lot of results. First thing you want to do is to click on the Owned and Subscribed by My Library to narrow down to what's fully accessible. After selecting that, we're still at about 70,000 results. You can use the filters on the left-hand side to narrow down even further, by year published, by subject, and even by language. Okay, so let's click into a book to see our options. You have several options here. You can read the ebook online, or you can download up to 156 pages as a PDF. The amount of PDF pages you can download will be different for each book that you open. Let's use the Read Online option to explore this book. You now have access to the entire book, all 519 pages, and you can use the navigation at the top of the screen to turn pages and to zoom in and out. You can also use the three-line icon on the left to search within the book. Searching within the book is an excellent research tool, especially when you're looking for a particular keyword or phrase and you don't want to read the entire 500 pages of the book. So let's say I want to search for irradiation. It shows us that there are about 10 results, and if we click on those results, it will take us to that place in the book. So I'm going to click here, and this is where it occurs. This is one tip you're going to want to remember for using ebooks, as it can save you a lot of time. Another tool that can save you some time is this Get Citation tool at the top of the page. This will generate a citation for you in the style you want, so I'm going to select APA. I can also export my citation to a citation manager like RefWorks. You can also sign in through your Embry-Riddle account at the top of the page to use some additional tools. One tool you can use is this highlighter tool. You can highlight key phrases. You can also use the sticky note tool to create notes for yourself. You can view these annotations by selecting the star icon, and you can view the different annotations you've made later on. This is perfect for saving quotes to use in paper or just helping remember important information as you study. This is how you use ProQuest eBook Central, but remember there are many ebook collections, so depending on what topic or subject area you're looking for, you may want to try out one of our other collections. For example, here's a quick glimpse at Access Engineering, which has a collection of handbooks, textbooks, codes, and more. If you have any questions about selecting or using an ebook collection or need any other research help, be sure to contact us.